Hello everyone, I'm Bill Shires with Stone Age Water Blast Tools. And right now it's a busy time, it's shutdown season. And the most important thing you want to have is very reliable equipment, especially when it comes to your FlexLance tractors. I want to take a second to talk to you about the engineering and assurance that we give you with every one of our tractor systems. One of the key design points that we have is that we've chosen to use radial piston motors inside of our 2L and 3L tractors. We did this as a result of extensive testing, and that testing has proven that by using a radial piston motor, you can get much more reliability in conditions where poor air quality, temperature become your adversaries. Other air motors on the market, like vane motors, are susceptible to poor air quality. The moisture gets in, it locks up those veins, and becomes a nightmare for you on the job. You know that you can rely on Stone Age equipment and the radial piston motors to get you through your toughest jobs. So for every shutdown need you have out there, you know that Stone Age has got your back. With our rental sources, our AE techs, and our on-site engineering resources, we're putting everything we got into every piece of equipment for you.